This is Rod Kusin and Spooman for a risk on January 21st, 2010. All times on the chart are Central Standard Time. This is the second of two videos that we're going to be producing today. And our focus in this video is on the premium once again. Some fantastic setups on the premium today. If you knew how to read the premium, you could have really capitalized. So, a couple of things that we want to show you. Number one, if you've not seen a video on the premium in the past, please go to our website, RSKsys.com, go to the section on the premium, and read the rules. The first major setup from the premium occurs right here at 9:01. We had a new low on the premium, both on the ES as well as the S&P premium, but the Spoos did not go lower. We also had a new high on the premium. You can't see it with this bar because the first thing that happened was it hit a new low, and then it hit a new high. We only paint the bar one color, but you can obviously see this is a new high. So it's telling us two things. Number one, we're going to go lower, but we're also going to go higher. And being that this was occurring right at the time of the new low, it signaled an immediate reversal. So the Spoos go up, but what we're looking to do is to take a short trade. Why? Because the Spoos did not go lower than 1132 until later. So Spoos move up, we get another new high on the premium here at 906. It says we're going to move a little higher. It does. 1137 doesn't go any higher. Time to short the market. Shorting it back down to at least 1132. At least 1132. So that was a real simple, very clear premium setup that was worth at least 4 points. Now, what happens? Where's the next setup? The next obvious setup. Okay, there were a couple of other highs and lows on the premium, but they didn't really give us any particular setup. We don't see another setup that takes place until right here. New low on the NASDAQ premium, new low on the Spoos at 11:11:50. Time is 10:45 Central Standard Time. We already know that the Spoos are going to go higher than 11:17.75 because of this high on the premium. Okay? So this new high says we're going higher. This premium low says we're going lower. So what do? Well, it depends on what direction the market takes after this occurs. Two things are going to happen here. We're going to go higher than 11:17.75, but we also are going to go lower than 11:11:50. So depending upon what tools you're using to take a trade, okay, you may have been in a position to take a long trade here. And if you look at our other video, the one preceding this, you'll see how we took advantage of this as an opportunity to take a long trade, knowing full well that the market is yet going to come back down. What happens? We now get another new high on the premium, 11:18.25. So we're not going to short the market until we go above 11:18.25. And when does that happen? Right here, 11:18.50. Predictive value of the premium has been accomplished, and the Spoos move down. And where do they move to? Well, what was the low here? 11:11.50. Premium says I'm going to drop below 11:11.50, and it does that right here. And at 12:04, guess what? We have divergence in here, as you see on the other video, and up the market goes once again. if you knew where to take the trades, what could have occurred? 4-point move up here from 1150 at this low all the way up to 1850, a potential 7-point move. Let's call it 6 for slippage. There's 10 points. You're going to write that down again because you know what the premium said. And you do. You've got another 7 points there. Okay? 17 points. And you're divergent. You're going to write it up again. And if you look at our other video, it tells you exactly where the divergence takes place here at 1950. Another, I'll give you 8 points. 8 points on that move. Let's see, what do we got here? 17, 8, 25 points, and then another short because of the divergence. The premium's not telling us anything more. He made 30 points on this day just by reading the premium and having a few good tools to tell you where to take your trades. Okay? Now, real quick, just to show you a couple of quick things which we talked about in the previous video. Here's the first long trade where the premium hit a new low, and there's your divergence. You get divergent again down here at the low for the day, at least at that time. There's the divergence for the high exit. And there's the divergence again at the close. This chart shows the reversal at the first low. Here's an example of an automated trade signal right here at the top of this move. Here we have, again, long signals right in here at the bottom of that move at 1203, where we saw the divergence. And then last but not least, this particular chart, which is an entire workspace, once again shows the divergence up here at the top, accompanied by the group reversal, which you see here, as well as on this chart over here. Nice, crisp group reversal, time to take a short trade. Pretty accurate. And here's another picture of that group reversal right in here. All right. Again, automated trades, if we place them on this chart, you would see the trade signals. But instead, what we do in our strategy, we place the strategy on one particular chart. When we place it on that chart, it reads where the reversals are taking place on other charts. So that's why you don't see a trade signal right here. But that's where the trades would occur. So you see it here, and then you see the reversal up here too. And we know this is a reversal because of the color of the bars. This tells us we went from a point of strength to a point of weakness at the top here. And consequently, this is the time when the reversal is taking place. Market's going to start moving down. And of course it does. And here's another chart where the trade signal actually takes place. Right there at 1950. Can't get much better than that. Okay? All right. So we invite you to come to RSKsys.com. Scrutinize our website. Email us with your questions. Ask for a demo. We're running a special sale on our software through the end of this month, but once the month is over, prices are going up. We've got an excellent system here, so come see us at RSKsys.com. This is Rod Kusin and Spooman for Risk.